We could have put more batteries in here. I'm sure. I have them too. We're gonna see how far. We might be taking this another trip tomorrow. Here, catch it. Excuse me. I might go out and buy another one of these engines. Keep them both going at the same time. Then instead of 50-pound thrust, you're 100-pound thrust. Should get there twice as fast. That's 53 right there. It says.
Isn't that 65 horsepower? Is that the same as the thrust?
Huh?
Horsepower?
50-pound thrust.
No, 65. Is that the max here?
That's for horsepower. That's not thrust.
That's what I meant here. That's not thrust.
And I'm pretty sure it's got to be. The most 65 horses are you got to mix the oil and the gas. You know.